You have nothing to eat. We have become slaves onto our land. This is the price we are paying to this government. I can see how your houses, how your clothing and all foodstuffs are being burnt down mercilessly by the government of Uganda. I can feel it, but it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. The Bible says there's time for everything. I know one day, one time, the Acholi people and the people living in Acholi land shall be free. Take heart. Take heart. It will come to an end. It's a matter of time. We are being fooled. We are being duped. This is the price we are paying as the Acholi people. They will plan to kill all of us. They will plan to destroy us. But God will never let these people perish in such a useless manner. I thank you, my people. Let's take heart. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. It's a matter of time. I thank you.